Today we talked about dealing with the enemy pieces in more detail. We had a way of slowing their attack down or stopping it completely. And in there we had two particular techniques which we should remember, which is the Judoka Ose and the lure technique, aka penguin sacrifice. The Judoka Ose is the one that we should use first, and then if we have no way of escaping, the lure technique is our last resort. Then we talked about other way of dealing with the enemy pieces indirectly is by repairing your castle. And we had 3 techniques to do so. We had the restore technique, where we drop our piece to restore the castle. We have to do it with or without initiative. We have to know the distinction between those two. Then we had the rejoin method, which is like a Lego block that's in space and it rejoins the castle. Yeah, we reattach the gold that was detached. Here we had combo of both. And it is important for us to remember that rejoin is weak for detachment, that we can use rejoin as a binding, as bind defending, as keeping connection between pieces as well, for example, rook. And finally, we had shielding or sheltering technique, basically changing the focus of the enemy attack. Sometimes it saves us one move. A very important technique that we're gonna see a little more next week.